Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friend. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I must show you something very exciting. I recently got this type of also kind of like a massive fragrance haul. I had these perfumes and then I bought some other perfumes as well. And I want to, guys, unbox it. So I decided to buy this package of Cities collection because it was very cheap. It was Friday, Black Friday sales, and I decided to try it and to see how it goes. It was cheaper than before, was 40% less than before. And how did I start it, guys? I got this discovery set and they were all of them inside, although one subscriber told me that one is missing in this discoveries type of tester set. One is missing, but I'm not sure. I need to check which one, guys. And so I bought them and I decided to go with the full set because it was so cheap. So today my topic of the day will be, I will take one of them, Creatively Shanghai, and we will just simply test it to see how it is. I want to show you. I want to show you guys. So if you decide to buy this set, these are testers, you will have a type of small selection, small selection of them, and you can test it out by yourself. So I was testing, Creatively Shanghai, and from the first time, guys, I immediately got, the compliments with Creatively Shanghai. So in the box, you will have Bodily Soul, Creatively Shanghai, Elegantly Tokyo, Gracefully Madrid, Fashionably London, Magnificently Dubai, Stunning Venice, Energetically New York. So I will be opening, each of them later on, but today is Creatively Shanghai. The experience, let's say when I was testing all of them very shortly, I want to tell you how did I felt. Boldly So felt kind of warm, cozy, and kind of a little bit type of powdery. Let me show you guys like this. Maybe it's the best to show you. It's a little bit heavy for me. So Bodily Soul was kind of a little bit like a powdery. Let me just maybe 1 second. I'll just do it like that. So Bodily Soul was kind of powdery, warm, and cozy, but that kind of I liked it actually. I liked it. Need to experience it more. It felt a little bit maybe. Like I prefer others more than this one, but I like that one quite a lot. I just need to experience it, by spraying it and not by trying through small testers. So then I'm gonna take another one, guys. Creatively Shanghai, I will open it right now. We will see how it is just after I show another ones very quickly. And this is kind of one of the first that I actually liked it. And together with Elegantly Tokyo, these two perfumes and, plus another one, I really liked it and I decided to buy, guys, full set. I really like them, guys. Elegantly Tokyo felt one of the best from this old selection, and it felt, guys, like as if it would be like a jasmine made in a perfect white floral type of way that would be a quality type of jasmine. You wouldn't say that you would pay so little for this perfume. So it's really exciting. I really, guys, like Elegantly Tokyo really very much. And then soon, guys, we'll open for you that perfume. Gracefully Madrid was actually maybe one of the least that I liked because it felt only orange type of scent, fresh, refreshing type of orange scent, because Spain is known because of the oranges, but also at the same time it felt kind of a little bit as if too little of the notes, to make it exciting. And it felt like this particular Gracefully Madrid perfume will not do a lot for me unless maybe I layer it or I do something else, I do something else. So let's put it back here. Those. And then another one, guys, is Fashionably London. So Fashionably London is the perfume that probably is liked by so many guys, and it's people talking about it. And actually, even though I kind of wasn't sure at the beginning, but I realized the beauty of this perfume, and it's pretty nice perfume. It's one of those perfume that probably worth trying, type of need to experience it more, need to unbox it as well. So then, passionate, and then Magnificently Dubai. From the first go, it felt like as well perfume that maybe not worth trying, but then after some time, guys, I felt this type of beauty. It's not as strong as those real Middle Eastern perfumes, but kind of there is this type of little bit incensey type of vibe, a type of kind of cozy incensey type of vibe that is not too much, So I will open this perfume another time as well, guys. It's magnificently Dubai. stunningly Venice, felt kind of not similar to the fashionably London, but they had kind of similar type of sweet vibe in a different way, you know, in a different type of florals type of. But I think I still prefer fashionably London than this one, but still need to experience a little bit more. Stunning Venice, you know, Stunning Venice is the name of this perfume. And then, guys, and now I have 2 boxes of this perfume, Energetically New York, because I kind of like this Le Labo Santal 33, which I never bought, but I tried in the airport, and I felt like it has similar vibe, and I felt like it has similar vibe, you know. It kind of, you can smell interestingly by spraying this one, but if you never tried Santal 33, it might be difficult to understand this perfume, because it does smell a little bit like dills, you know, like a green type of vibe, that medicinal vibe that not many people would understand, you know. Right now, guys, so shortly I can talk to you about them. Now, Creatively Shanghai, I'm gonna open it, guys, and I'm gonna spray it. I already know, guys, how this perfume feels. It feels very nice. Let me read for you some notes, if I may. So in the notes, guys, it says citrus, warm, spicy, woody, aromatic. So that aromatics probably represents the most, you know, for me, this perfume. It says woody aromatic perfume fragrance, even actually it's for man and for women. Never thought about this, that it's for man too. So 2021 is the year, is by Jo Malone, and then you have orange, and then cardamom and cedar. Orange, cardamom and cedar. Let's see, guys. It's, what's the quote? It says past, present and future in one breath. Past, present and future in one breath. So let's open this perfume. There is some kind of sticker that disturbs me to open this perfume, so maybe I will just pull it off. You know, it's like unboxing, call it like unboxing, some kind of sticker. Let's see if I can just pull it. If not, guys, I will just need to take scissors. I didn't expect, okay, I didn't expect it would be so strongly made, you know. So when, of course, like you open there, like everybody shows for you that there's some kind of card, you know. It makes it kind of interesting and type of you know, type of vibe that is interesting, kind of to open this perfume. Creatively Shanghai. Creatively Shanghai, guys. Creatively Shanghai. You can open this perfume. It's a small perfume. I think it's, yeah, it's 40 ml perfume, just like that. Let me show you the bottle. You know, I don't know if you guys could see Creatively Shanghai, the bottle. There's nothing too special, little bit classic, but there is no colors, nothing. Looks something that you could just simply spray, you know. Don't see much there, like nothing, guys, no colors, anything, but this type of small particular perfume, and you can spray it, you know. I will remind myself how it is just by spraying it, just by really good, guys. Wow, very nice. Like, it's different when you spray the bottles and not the tester. So when you spray it, immediately, you know, this type of very nice, guys, citrusy vibe, you know. Ooh, like from the beginning it goes those, like, how do they say, citrus, you know, that citrus, you know, vibe really blasts. Very nice, much better than Gracefully Madrid, I would say. Much better, guys. Creatively Shanghai. Maybe I just put it here for you. No, I will keep it. And then what do you feel? So there's warm, spicy and woody, aromatic. So what I feel, guys, is citrus, like kind of very nice, warmly citrus and kind of aromatic. And that aromatic side, you know, of this perfume can really, guys, make you get compliments, you know. Like, for example, guys, today I feel so much different than yesterday, because yesterday I unboxed it, and you can check my video. I unboxed it by Latafa Middle Eastern perfume Opulent Red, and like, that perfume is heavy perfume by type of fruits and type of Mugler, gives type of Mugler vibe, and that one is heavy, so really you need to be in a good zone in order to spray that perfume. But this one, you don't need to be prepared, you know, because when you spray it, you immediately kind of like it, you know. I wonder for man, how is this? Yeah, guys, I think man could wear it too, but it's significantly, kind of a little bit, not significantly, but leans towards feminine, you know. But man can wear it too, especially to layer it, you know. If you want to layer this perfume, like to spray it on top of your other perfume would be great too. I want to check what other people say, like very quickly. So it says it says moderate. I'm just looking on my computer. Moderate, it says longevity. Moderate, everybody says moderate longevity. And then people say very fresh, people say subtle smell, last, after a few hours. Cardamom appears, cardamom, I can feel cardamom too. And then it's like juicy sweet orange, and people are impressed. And then spring summer samples. So they were reviews by men, and there are reviews by women. Some man says smells like bathroom, public bathroom, clean, musky, like public bathroom. I don't know, guys, but to me, I got compliments saying that what a nice shower gel you used. But I wasn't using, it's not because of shower gel. It's because of this particular perfume that I sprayed. It's very nice, guys, very nice. Maybe, let's say, I think you could get bored of this perfume not from after one day, but maybe after 1 month, So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. This perfume will be used. It's likable perfume, you can spray yourself and go into the office. You can spray it yourself anywhere you want to go, to meet a friend. You will not disgust people with this perfume. It's easy perfume to like. Yeah. Very nice, guys. Very nice perfume. Great. Another perfume that I will talk to you another time will be this Tokyo, Elegantly Tokyo. That one is probably one of the number ones, there for me, reminding me of this Etro perfume as well. Etro perfume, they do this very nice perfume, but this one is one of those type of the best, guys, for you if you are like a into perfumes. Just get that full set and be happy, and you will know all of them, just like I did. Just like I did. I just simply got full set, of this one, and guys, and I just simply don't regret, because I have all of them, and I don't regret, and I am now familiar with all of them. One subscriber said that there's one perfume missing in this set, and basically in those discovery set, one perfume is missing. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I think, guys, it's all of them, because I'm familiar with all of them. I think all of them are here, So it's interesting, isn't it? Creatively Shanghai, guys. I will not ramble anymore. So one more time, the best perfume from this set is, in my opinion, Creatively Shanghai, and then Elegantly Tokyo, and then Fashionably London. Magnificently Dubai is not too bad. Stunningly Venice is kind of not too bad too, but still Fashionably London is a bit better than Stunning Venice. Energetically New York is only if you know what does it mean to have Santal 33, which I'm thinking to buy maybe in my next perfume purchase, So anyway, guys, I will leave you at that. And then, guys, I will wave, to you at this perfume. The perfume is still there. It's nice, guys. I will come back to you another time. See you. Did I help you with this review? Let me know. I will be back to you. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.